So in this 9-day workshop, we had 25 refugee youth, including unaccompanied minors, participate. The participants were from Syria, Afghanistan, Iraq, and Pakistan, and were between 9 and 17 years old.
In D-Lab at MIT, we teach people to design and build things to solve their own problems. We're working with Pharos to integrate this design training into their Vocational and Innovation Center, the Horizon Center for Refugee Youth, because we really saw the transformative impact that this kind of training had on the youth when we did the workshops with them. We think that 3D printing workshop is important for the youth because they learn new things and because they can design exciting projects, but also because they regain the confidence that they have the ability to learn these things and apply them to their own lives.
So the workshop curriculum has two parts: the basics computers and the 3D printer fabrication and printing. We designed the curriculum in a way where the participants can gradually gain knowledge on how to use computers, to using tools to actually build a 3D printer, and finally designing on the computer itself and printing their designs using the 3D printer they built.
In the morning, participants learn the basic computer skills, such as how to use Windows, MS Word, PowerPoint, basic graphic design tools, and basic programming, as well as focus on 3D design software.
In the afternoon, it was all about 3D printing. We're taking the kids through the whole process of building an entire 3D printer. We had the kids work in different groups where they formed small teams and used different hand tools and acquired different skills as they worked together towards building a whole 3D printer.
So throughout the workshop, the kids needed to learn how to use a lot of tools to be able to build the machine. And so some of these tools includes a multimeter, wire cutters, they learned how to solder, they learned how to crimp, they also learned how to use files and screwdrivers, and they needed to learn all of this and use all of it to be able to build the machine.
In the very beginning, the kids got to see a 3D printer that was bought from the store, and we promised them that at the end of the 2 weeks, they'd be able to build a machine themselves. Obviously, they did not believe this, but that was the plan, to see how, with their skills and all the things that we're going to teach them, they would understand exactly how a 3D printer works, and then also build one themselves. And that's the culmination of all these 2 weeks. They've got to see how all the small things they did builds up to this one big thing. They learned so many different skills. They got to understand how a 3D printer works. They know all the different parts of a 3D printer, and everything comes together to form this one unique and cool machine.
It's been exciting to follow the course of this workshop and see what an empowering experience it has been for the boys to learn and to build and finally at the end build this amazing machine.
در این ورکشاپ چیزای زیادی آموختم، چیزای جدید آموختم که از این میتونم در آینده استفاده کنم از زندگی روزمره، هر چی که ضرورت میشه میتونم خودم درست کنم و از این استفاده کنم.
I learned 3D printer and I make in future something I need. When I can design. I design for me and I make for me something.
Workshop, actually I learned 3D printer, I learned how to use I know how to use a computer, and I know Word, and I know PowerPoint and Scratch.
وقتی که من یاد گرفتم میتونم برای خودم یک دکان یا یک کارخانه‌ای بسازم و شاگردا یا چند دانش آموز دیگر و خودم اضافه کنم که وام میتونن از این راه پول به دست بیارن.
Actually I want to be a designer and I make this from 3D printer.